streams away. The leaves grow brittle day by day. The thirsty earth is cracked and worn. The trees and grasses fade forlorn. The fields lie silent, dry and bare, as every heart lifts up a prayer. The weary beast grows faint with pain. The rivers long to flow again. But when the rains come, life awakens once more. Gentle streams come dancing from the mountain shore. They fill the rivers as the rushing waters run, bringing hope and healing beneath the shining sun. Down into the valleys, where every living thing welcomes back the blessings that the faithful rain can bring. When the clouds release their silver rain, they wash away the dust and pain. Each tree and shrub lifts high with joy as nature's beauty they restore. The flowers bloom in bright array. The birds return with songs to play. The burning heat has lost its claim as life is renewed by heaven's rain. But when the rains come, life awakens once more. Gentle streams come dancing from the mountain shore. They fill the rivers as the rushing waters run, bringing hope and healing beneath the shining sun. Down into the valleys, where every living thing welcomes back the blessings that the faithful rain can bring. Let the rains come, let the rains fall, bringing hope and life to one and all. Let the rains come, let them remain, reviving every heart again. Let the rains come, let the rains come.